Hi Shamrocks, this is Mrs. Kolchuk. I just wanted to walk you through our new program we have. It is called Sora. It is going to allow you to download ebooks and audiobooks. So we are starting at the main Catholic Central homepage, so it's just catholicentral.net. From there, you will navigate to the academic tab, and then it is under library resources. Since Sora is a program primarily for ebooks, I have it under the ebook tab here. So if I click here, and then here is our link. And so what I have done here is actually create a page with your login instructions and a little bit more information about Sora. So you can use Sora in a couple of different ways. You can download it as an app to your device, or you can use it as a web-based program, whichever you would prefer. So your setup code is right here, this DCCHS, and then when you log in to Sora, you will be using your CC email address and your CC email password. So what I have done is I've partnered with the Novi Public Library so that not only do you have access to things purchased for Sora through Catholic Central, you also have access to the entire Novi Public Library collection as well. So there will be a lot of resources available to you. To get into Sora, you're going to go ahead and click on the link right here. And then I've already logged in, obviously, so I'm going to sign back into Sora using my CC account here. And as you can see, I am logging in with my CC email address. But what you guys want to make sure you do once you get logged in is connect to the Novi Library's resources. And to do that, you're going to click on this circle up here with the 3 lines, and then you want to go ahead and add a library. So we are looking for the Novi Public Library. And here we go right here. So we're going to say this is my library. And now we have added all of the Novi Library's resources to the account so that you can see both the stuff through Catholic Central and the stuff at the Novi Public Library. Okay, so a few things about Sora. We are limited to three items to have checked out, and if you ever need help, they have a pretty extensive help screen right here. So if you click on it, you can get a lot of answers, for any of the questions you might be having. So once you have logged in and got everything set up and you want to search for a book, it is very easy to do. You just go up here and type in the title, like say I want Diary of a Wimpy Kid. Here's the book I am looking for. So it's available. So I want to borrow that. And just one thing I want to point out, this that we're looking at, these 2 items here are ebooks. If the picture has this little headphone icon, that means that this is actually an audio book. Okay, so that's going to be something that you listen to. If the item is available, you of course will be able to borrow it. Some items are not immediately available, and you may have to place a hold on those and get into a waiting list in order to get a copy. So the Wimpy Kid book is actually something that's available through our collection. So I can just go ahead and click here where it says borrow. And it's going to open up for me right on the screen here. So you can go ahead and scroll through the book with either your mouse or the arrows on the on your keyboard, whichever is easiest for you. Obviously, with our internet connectivity here, it is taking a while for it to actually display because it's downloading the book here. So I'm going to close out of this so we don't have to wait and just stare at the little spinning wheel. Some other things I want to show you. The items you check out are on your shelf here. As you can see, this one is still downloading, so it's in the process of doing that. When you are ready to return an item that you have borrowed, you can go to this options category right here, and there is an option to return it. Okay? Otherwise, the loan will expire after 2 weeks anyway, and then you just won't have access to it anymore. So that's a kind of short and quick tutorial on how to use Sora. As always, come find me in the Learning Commons or send me an email if you have any other questions or you need any help. Thank you.